Start the game. Mahin in first possession now. JJB puts it in. Michael. Init agad ang Michael. And now see, scoring machine repeat for the three. Rebounded by number one, dribbling the ball. Crossover yan. Drop pass kay Mahin. Puts it in. 4-0 running score. And now see Gipit. Finds Donard. To Gipit. Baseline shot. Yes, sir. 4-2 running score. Number one, dribbling the ball, crossing the midcourt, setting up the play. And to shoot. Vitas, jumper on the baseline. Wala, na-rebound na yan ni Michael. Pinalik kay Mahin. What's it in? Ganda na play up ni Vitas, number 31. 6-2 ang ating score. Jonard for the three. Wala yan, rebound yan ni Vitas. Hindi kaya number one. Number one, dribbling the ball, crossover in the paint, penetrate, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation made by number one. Nice steal yan ng Team JJB. Number one again, penetrates. Anderson ball. Post ball rep. Number 28. 18, sorry, number 18. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Number one, number 7. Wala yan, Ian Michael. Number 11, drop pass kay Gipit. Drop pass to Jonard to the baseline. Puts it in. 2 points, Jonard. 8-4. Number one. Finds Vitas, number 31. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan. Recovered. Penetrates. Natapin yung bola. Kwani. Vitas. Jumper on the baseline. Short. Nag-rebound pa rin ni Mahin. Nakuha yan ng team. 10 to shoot. 8. 6. 3 points. Vitas. Wala yan. Nakuha ulit ng team. JB puts it in. Number 1. 8-4. Number 11. Tiny. Number 8. Jump for the baseline. Short. Rebound number 6. Vitas. 2. Vitas. Number 31. Pass to number 1. Behind the back dribble. Number 1. Boyon. And to shoot. Umahin. Binalik kay Boyon. Number 1. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Si Vitas. Number 31. Ganda ng bitaw. Kaya na si Jonard. 13-4. Nating score. Ayos number 4. Jumps. In the paint. Recovered. Puts it in. Ay, number 4. Tapala. Kaya na si Boyo. Number 1. Boyo. Hesitates. Behind the back dribble. Finds Mahin. Wala. Rebound na yan ni Tapala. 2. Gipit. Gipit. Gipit the ball. Walang bola. Nakuha ni Mahin. Mahin. Penetrates. And probably violation. 13-6. Laton yan. Laton. 5 minutes. Gipit. Drop pass to Tapala. Number 11. Puts it in. What is foul number 21? Foul number 31. 5 minutes lang na natin. 5 minutes ang platoon. Yes. Wala yan. Rebound na rin Mahi. Drop pass to Vitas. To Boyo. Boyo nang mamadali. Boyo still. Tripping the ball. To Vitas for the 3. Butas yan. Kay Vitas. Number 15. Number 31. Mainit ang kamay. Vitas. 68, ang ating score, 5 minutes 25, 15, dribbling the ball, 7 left to play, 10 to shoot, Reyes, 7 to shoot, 5, pasok niya, latod tayo, pasok ang tira ni Gigit, baseline, 16-10 ang ating score. Wala na. Kipos Lazarus. Ayan na, si Boyo. Boyo, tumahin! Ang ganda ng pasahan! High flyer yan sa kanya. What a beautiful connection play. Reyes, ang pala. Forcing the offense. Nick forward three. Vida, Sakay, Boyo. Boyo. Behind the back, dribble, set, step back. Finds, Vitas, puts it in. 20-10. 4 minutes, 33. Keep it. Reyes. Wow, number 15. Reyes will be shooting his bonus in the line. The first one is good. Nasaan si Dre? Second one, short, air ball. Time remaining, 4 minutes 24, 20-11 running score. This time is brought to you by Easy Kmart. Couple 11. Shot for Fridays. Of course, our honorable Cap Reyes. Parang kay Captain ng Turo. Yan na si Boyo, set up, finds JJB. Mahin, pulls up, puts it in. Keep it, the scoring machine. Go, number 25, Igho. To number 8, keep it. Wala yan, di ba Mahin, drop pass to Vitas. Pass to number 15, flies, puts it in. Reyes, 3 minutes 40. Inghot for the 3, short, tira. Rebound ni Vitas. Boyo, penetrates in the paint, flies. Pinasa ka number 15, in and out, rebound pa rin ng JJB. Step back sa 3, wala, na-rebound na. Igho. Number 15. Number 15. And there is a troubling violation. Score is 24-11. 3 minutes 13 in this first quarter. Number 15. To Boyo. To Vitas for the 3. Puts it in. Butas na naman yan kay Vitas.
Greg, ilit lang.
Pala, number 4. Finds number 8, the scoring machine. Give it to Reyes, number 11. Hesitates, penetrates, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation play made by Reyes. Number 11, Malakay Irving ang dalawan. And number 15, Mahid, short ang tira sa baseline, rebound and number 11 to Gipi. Number 8, nagpapadali. Gipi, jumper! Overshoots. Recovered and rebound by Boyo. Boyo handling skills. Naiwan ang dalawang tao in the paint. Tumayan at baseline. Wala yan. Same ball possession. Our score is 27-13. Mahin, fade away shot, puts it in. 1 minute 56 in this first quarter. There's number 11. Ingo, floater shot, yes sir. 29-15 ang ating score in favor of Team JJD. 1 minute 40 in this first quarter. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Vitas for the 3. Overshoots, rebound na yan in number 11. To Ingo. And there's a foul, made by number 31. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. Vitas for 31. Scoring machine 2. Behind the back pass. Wala bola. And si Boyo, number 1, dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates. Boyo, crossover. Finds Mayan! Wala, short. Nakuha ulit ng Team Pastor, yan na. Ang napakbilis. Si Pastor. Short, di perfect, siya pa rin ang rebound. Wala yung bola.
Tubig! Tupapin! Nanyo!
Ayan na, si Vitas. Finds Boyo, fakes in the paint. Nice, nila niya rin hook. Go, Pastor! Pastor, almost losing the ball. Ingo, penetrates. Ryan, nariba na yan, si Vitas. Last two, JJB. Bonifacio, last two. Number 15, and yes sir, counted. And one basketball. Foul number 8. First personal, keep it. Number 15 will be in the line for his bonus. First one is goal. 32-15 ang ating score. 22 seconds in this first quarter. Number 11. Reyes, thank you, shoot. Give it, puts it in. Baseline shot, give it. Boyo, for the long three. Wala yan. And that ends the first quarter. Our score is 32-17 in favor of Team Ipos Lazarus. And this time is brought to you by Coco Lemon, Rice, Shop More, Easy Minimart, and Honorable Toto Reyes, our Honorable Captain, Barangay Turo. Our next game for tonight will be Team Thanos and Team United Bowlers. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter of this game between Ipos Lazarus and Bowlers Boys. Latod pa rin tayo hanggang second quarter. Number 11, Reyes. Looking for Ingo, Fates. Balik kay Reyes, to Gipi, jumper, baseline, puts it in. Signature shot there, the scoring machine. 32-19 ang ating score. Boyo, finds, JJB. Vitas, baseline, overshoots, rebound na yan eh. Number 30 to number 11, Reyes. Reyes, set up the play. Hanapin yung bola sa itong center. And to shoot tayo. Number 11. Overshoots. Rebound na yan eh. JJB to number 15. Ang bilis. Number 15. Puts it in. Flawless. Number 15. Number 8, he beat the scoring machine. To number 11, Reyes, finds the block, fakes. Easy jumper, in and out. Wala yan. Nakuha rin. Jonard, short. Rebound to Vitas. 2, Boyo. Boyo. Boyo still. In the paint. Finds number 6. To Boyo. 10 to shoot. 7. JJB forcing the offense. Rebound na yan ni Reyes. Reyes penetrates. Floater. Won't go. Rebound ni number 91. Boyo, number 1. Number 1. Behind the back. Crossover. Dribbling skills. In the paint. Pinoy step. Wala. Put back yan ni Michael. 36-19. Reyes. Penetrates. Overshoot. Rebound na yan ni JJB. Boyo again in the paint. Hesitates. Penetrates. Drop pass. Puts it in. 38-19 ang ating score. Yan ang sigipit. Forcing the offense. Recover the gipit. Turnover tayo. 7 minutes, 38.
Time out pala.
Time out sa dead ball. Time out sa dead ball, ha? Pag dead ball, time out. Kaya na si Boyo, setting up, 10 to shoot. Michael, to number 15. Finds JJB. Penetrates, wala yan. Na-rebound yan ni Reyes, number 11. Reyes, nice! And there's a foul in by number. Time out. Team ballers. Foul si number 6. 39.
39 na disco.
Bibilangin. Kung tama. Bibilangin yung score, idol, kung tali tayo. Ito yung tamang score. Nakapili lang siguro ng pindot. Sakto, idol. Sakto lang, 38. Tali dito, 38. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now at the second quarter of this game. 7 minutes remaining. 38-19. An adding score in favor of Team JJB. Reyes at the line. First one goal. Second one is good. Boyo. Number 1. And to shoot. JJB pulls out the 3. Won't go. Rebound Ingram. Pass to be beat. Easy jumper. And a foul. And one shot by a scoring machine. Foul number 15. And the bonus shot is good by the scoring machine. Ayan na ang Iverson ng JJB, number 1. And the shoot. Michael, baseline shot. And there's a foul. Foul number 3. Number 30. Michael will be in the line, number 7. The first one won't go. Second one is good. Turnover. Vitas. Boyo. Setting up. Boyo pulls the 3 from the downtown. Puts it in. 3 points. Boyo. Number 1. Babawi kaya team ballers. Number 8. To John Hart. To number 11. To number 8. Bumawi! Patay yan! Scoring machine. Bumawi nga. 42-26 ang ating score. Lagay mo sa harap mo para hindi ka mahirapan.
Hindi, sumasandal ako.
Lagay mo sa gitna yung slide yun. Shot lang ang mabaguhin. Oo, shot lang. Oras, ganito yan. Ayan na si Boyo. Pinapas kay number 15. 9 to shoot. Number 15 puts it in. Baseline shot. Number 15.
Dapat ano, baso lagpas eh.
Ayan si number 11. Number 11. In the paint. Wala yan. Rebound Michael. 2. Boyo, number 1. Behind the back dribble. Fakes. Finds Michael. Number 7. Inara si number 8. Michael steal. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan ni John Hart. John Hart. Finds number 8. Keep it. Pass to. In-hold. To Reyes. Nakamit ang bola. Single possession. Time out. Team equal. Our score is 44-26. 4 minutes, 49 seconds. It is second quarter. And this time is brought to you by Shop Order Fridays of 11 is in Midmark and Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez, Mr. and Mrs. Hayes, and Top Toto Reyes, our volume sponsors for this basketball league. We're now in the second quarter, our time remaining 4 minutes, 49 seconds. The score is 44-26. Favor of Epos Lazarus. Number 4, points number 80, Pastor, Philippine, jumps. Wala na, rebounding. Bola na, AJJB. Epos Lazarus. Boyo against number 18, Boyo steal, dribbling skills, to number 31, Vitas, pulls the trigger, short, rebound na 19, Pastor, Reyes, number 11, Reyes, penetrates, short, rebound na Vitas, number 31, Vitas hinaharas, nakuha ni Pastor, Pastor fix, pinasa ka number 4, wala pa rin. Nakuha ulit ng team JJT. Vitas, delivering the ball. Pass Mike, puts it in. Number 15. Ganda ng pasahan. Kaya na si Jonah, number 8. Titi, pulls the trigger. Wala yan. Na-rebound na. JJT. Nakuha ulit ng team Pastor. Jonah, choose. Wala yan. Rebound na Mahin. Mahin. Mahin steal. 2. Mahin, put back. Yes, sir.
sa ano, baka masipa nila yan. Hawakan mo agad to pag ano.
Ayan na, si Jonard. Jonard, number 4. Kapala, in the paint. Dinakas niya. Trophy pick, jumper. Yes, sir, the scoring machine. Dead ball tayo, substitution. Ayan na si number 15. Nakapik. So number 1, Boyo. Boyo skill. Pass to Vitas. Floater. Yes, sir. O ayan, Reyes. Reyes. Penetrates. Yes, sir. Puts it in. 50-30 ang ating score. Uy. Hesitation. Pass number 15. Pulls the trigger. Rebound ni. Wala. Substitution. Ing hog out. Reyes ni. Ego hesitates at the baseline. Wala yan. Rebound ni. Mahit to. Vitas. Vitas to Boyo. Boyo still. Boyo to number 15. Rebound pa rin ni number 15. Wala. Turnover na tayo. Running time tayo, 1 minute 43 seconds in this second quarter. 50-30 ang ating score. The scoring machine, dribbling the ball. Wolf finds Nico to the baseline. Fake, puts it in. What a beautiful fake in the baseline. Is still in. Tapala to Pastor Brady. Drives. Oh, nawala bola. Turnover tayo. Ayan na, si number 1, Terence Romeo ng Ipos Lasers. Number 1 still. Number 1, finds Mahid, Michael. JJB, puts it in. Ganda ng tira ni John Bonifacio, penetrates the big floater shot, puts it in. The scoring machine again. 49 seconds left in this second quarter. Ayan na si Terence Romeo. Tumahin. Short. Rebound pa rin ni Michael. Wala yan. Boom. Nakakuha na yan ng Gipit. Gipit steal. 33 seconds left. The scoring machine. Same ball possession. 28 seconds tayo. Pasto finds David jumper in the paint. Pick over to number 15. He puts it in. 15 seconds. Ayan na si Terence Romeo. 10 seconds. Step back 3. Wala yan. 3 seconds. Buzzer na lang pa rin. And that is the second quarter of this game. Our score is 52-36 in favor of Ipos Lasers. And this time is brought to you by Fridays, Coco Lemon, Shop 4, Easy Minimart, Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez, Mr. and Mrs. Hayes, and Honorable Doc Toto Reyes. We are now in the second half of this game. Our third game for tonight will be between Team Tanots and Team United Ballers. Saan mo to? Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Change court na tayo. Yung score ganun pa rin ha. Hindi na papaguhin. Hindi na papaguhin. Ipos Lazarus, Terence, Romeo, Tumahin in the baseline. Nakuha yan ni Reyes. Last 2. Number 8. To Inghok. Inghok. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni Michael. To Vitas. Vitas to Mahin. Pass to Michael. Walang bola. To Vitas number 6. Skill si Skill yan ni Skillman to number 15. Inghok. Easy jumper. Yes sir. 50 daw there doing ang ating score. Ayan na, si Terence Romeo, setting up the play. Boyo. Ito shoot. Uwi ko, Terence Romeo, hesitates, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation play. Mala Terence talaga ang galawan. Ayan na ang scoring machine natin. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Yes, sir! Bidura ang toss ni Terence. Ayun na naman, si Terence Romeo ng Ipos Lazarus. Pass to Vitas. Ang Stephen Curry ng Ipos Lazarus. Nakuha yan ni number 4. Tapala. 2. Scoring machine. Puts it in.
Ginaganaan ako sa'yo, Big.
Grabe naman, scoring machine. Kaya na si number 1, Terence Romeo. To Stephen Curry. Tumira na naman ang 3. In and out, the rebound ni scoring machine niya. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Penetrates. Overshoots. Wala. Sayang. Kaya na si Terence Romeo. Behind the back of the rebound. Handles. 10 to shoot. To number 7, to Mahin. Yes, sir! Mahin! Pakalakas na pala yan. Number 11, Reyes. Pass to number 15, Fakes. Inghok. Ejected and a foul. Minute number 6. Foul number 6. Inghok will be the line for his bonus.
Oh, sila ano? Sila tangkad. Tumira ba? Pumasok? Wala.
And the second ball is good. Our score.
Oh, isa lang.
44, 56. Oh, dalawa. 45 na yan. 45, 56.
45, 50.
Terence Romeo. In the paint. Nawala. Nakuha yan ni number 4. 2 scoring machine. Keep it. And that's a traveling violation. Substitution. Pasok. Substitution. Wala na tayong platon na. Substitution na yan. 5-14.
Dito, Sai.
7 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Number 15, 2. Michael. 2 Vitas. Curry. Wala. Rebound ni Vitas. Umiikot. Walang bola. Save on possession. Mahin. To number 15. Umiikot. Finds. Number 31. Vitas. 7 Curry. Number 15. And to shoot. 7 Curry pulls the trigger. In and out. Wala. Rebound ni Vitas at the baseline. And a score. And one basketball by Vitas. Number 6.
Dalawang bitas dyan.
Pinsan niya.
As well, one ball. Rebound na yan ni Inghok. Inghok to the scoring machine. To Green Reyes. Penetrates. Yes, sir. 58-47. Number 15. Forcing the offense. Overshoots. Put back yan ni Mahin.
Anong lang ba player nito?
6 minutes 15 in this third quarter. Number 11 again. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan is Stephen Curry. Vitas. No, number 15. Puts it in. What a beautiful pass. By number 31. Scoring machine. Scoring machine. Pulls the trigger. Rebound na yan ni Mahin. Number 31. Number 15. Number 52, Mahin. Easy jumper. Yes, sir.
Dead ball lang.
Pag dead ball, time out. Pastor. Number 18. Setting up the play. 10 to shoot. Give it. Scoring machine doing home for the 3. Short. Rebound ni Reyes. Yes, sir. 52-64 ang ating score. Score mo. Score yan.
Nagiyang ka pare ko.
Ayan na, sige. Vitas, naharas. Nahuli yan yung Hawk. To Reyes. Libre na. Substitution. Time out po na ballers. Pasok na, pasok. 64-51 ang ating score. Time remaining, 4 minutes 56 in this third quarter. Kaya na, si Terence Romeo. Umahiga number 7, pulls the trigger, short, rebound na Mahin. Drop pass to Terence Romeo, pulls the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan, na-rebound ni Pastor. Wala bola. Bola na ng Ipos Lovers. Time out. Time out daw. Time out. Time out na Bowlers Boys. Our score is 64-51. Time remaining in the third quarter, 4 minutes 31 seconds. And this time is brought to you by Coco Lemon, Riley's, Easy Eating Mart, Shop or Honorable Tapato Reyes. Our next game for tonight, third game, will be between Nanots and Team United Colors. And we're still in the third quarter of this game between Team Ipos Lovers and Team Colors. Back to the ball game. Terence Romeo finds Mahin, puts it in. Gandang kasahan. Number 22, Jonard, to defeat the scoring machine. Setting up the play, 10 to shoot. Number 22, to number 11, Reyes, 7 to shoot. Jumper ni Reyes. Wala yan, rebound yan ni Michael. Terence Romeo, pass to Mahin, to number 15, easy jumper. Yes, sir. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Setting up the play, scoring machine to Jonard. Finds number. Ligo, wala. Short ang tira. To Terence Romeo. Inaharas. Terence Romeo still. Penetrates. Interface. Finds. 5. Vitas. Number 31. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 5. Vitas. Forcing. The 3, wala. Recovered ni Mahin. Puts it! 3 points. Good job. 71-51. ang ating score. Give it to Ingho. Fakes the three at the baseline. Reverse. Rebound to Mahid. Pass to. Still me. Give it to Jonard. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Never shoots. Rebound na yan ni Vitas. To number 15. Number 15. Puts it. Ayan na si scoring machine. Scoring machine. Scoring machine. Jumper. Puts it in. The scoring machine. 73-53. Ayan na si Michael. In the paint. Pass to. Mahin. Wala. Put back. Recovered. Mahin. Wala pa rin. Michael steal. Finds Terence Romeo. Fakes. Terence Romeo. Pulls. Wala. Na-rebound na yan. Ni number 4. Tapala. To. Number 15. Reyes. Ingho. Yes, sir. Ingho. Number 15. Power layup by number 15. 1 minute, 52 seconds. Aras. Nawalang bola. Possession na ng team.
Pero tapikin mo lang kung pupunta sa'yo.
Last touch ang cameraman. Ayan na, si Gibit again. Gibit. Gibit na scoring machine. In and out. Rebound na yan ni Mahid. Nawalang bola.
Time out daw, time out.
Time out. Time out. Team Ipo. Wala na kayong time out. Wala na. Both teams, wala na kayong time out.
Support quarter.
Saan si Trey?
Our score is 73-55 in favor of Team Ipo's Nazars. We only have 1 minute 33 seconds left in this third quarter.
Tumunog na, Ben. Sino na ang lakwan? Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Sino kaya ang umuwan? Tanginan nyo, alis kayo.
Ayan na, si Reyes, walang tira. Nice tira ni Inghook. Inghook still number 15. Flies, yes sir! Inghook. The trigger man. Yan na si Bonifacio. JJB penetrates. Yes sir! Power layup by JJB. 59 seconds in his third quarter. Yan na si trigger man, number 15. To scoring machine. Finds the wrong man. Ayan na si Terence Romeo, 45 seconds left. Terence Romeo behind the ball, iniwan ang dalawa. Penetrates in the paint, finds Mahid. That's the pasan. There's a ball, getting back for number 15. Ingho. Mahid will be in the line for his bonus shot. The first one goal. Second one, wala pa rin yan. Recovered ni Mahid. It's goal. 77-57. Ipos Lazarus are ahead, 20 points. The trigger man pulls up, puts it in, 3 points. Ingho, the trigger man. Ayan na si Stephen Curry, 10 seconds shoot. Stephen overshoots, rebound. Ayan, the scoring machine. Nice steal yan ni Stephen Curry, pulls up, puts it in, 3 We are now in the last quarter. Stephen Curry, buzzer beater, 80-60 and nothing score. We are now in the last quarter of this game, and this time is brought to you by Easy Mini Bar, Coco Lemon, Shop More, Fridays.
Irving, saan nakuha yung Coco Melon? Coco Lemon?
Coco Lemon, makuha niyo sa Block 47 lot.
Ano yun? Nakinakuha ko Coco Melon ko, gagi.
Block 47, makita nyo yun.
Black 47. Bungad na kayo.
Gitna.
Sa dulo.
Black 47.
Dalawa yun.
Oo nga.
Ang malaki, ang ibon.
Wala expiration date dyan. Kaya,
Pag ikaw champion sa 3 point. Ay, kasali ka ba sa 3-pointer?
hindi pa po ako nakakas... Ay, pwede meron po ka?
Oo, pwede ka sumali. 3 point. Sa Monday. Lista ka lang doon, nandun sa group chat.
Nice Yari, Terence Romeo.
Nalagta ko yan. Dati nubig yung oras dito.
Easy job for yan. Terence Romeo, napakabilis.
Snatcher. Hindi makita pre, no?
Ang snatcher dyan, si Pastor.
Ayan na, si
Mega Bells.
Rivera, si Jodart. Ayan na, si number 15. George Artina, Rocky Reyes. To trigger man, Inghoff pulls the trigger. Overshoots, 3 rebound ni Mahin. Mahin, drop pass number 15. Number 15, steal, speeds. Points number 31. Sabi niya, teka lang. So, Terence Romeo. Then, to shoot tayo. Terence Romeo hesitates. Hit the fade. Speeds! Wala yan. Rebound ni. Pinasakay. Reyes. Kapala, number 4. Kapala. Wala. Na-rebound pa rin. Hindi Kapala. Overshoots. Rebound na yan eh. Ingho. Ang 7th carry ng Ipa Slashers. JJB pulls. Wala yan. Rebound na yan. Trigger mark number 15. Number 15 Ingho. Give the ball. Penetrates. Layup. Short. Recovered. Number 11. Number 11 at the baseline. Short. Number 11 steal. Puts it in.
Siya.
Sino naghatid?
Wala.
Baka si Harry.
Kumain ka ng Jollibee? Nasaan na si Kuya Mari?
Ayan na, si number 8, ang scoring machine.
Busog ka? Busog ka?
The scoring machine. Hanapin mo nga si the scoring machine. Wala yan. Nakuha yan ang team. Steal by Jonard. Number 22, Bernardo. Bernardo pulls the trigger. Wala pa rin. Number 11, Reyes. Baseline shot. Wala. Rebound na yan ni Pitas. Number 11. Number 31. 2, Terence Romeo. Terence Romeo flies. Short. Rebound na. TJB number 15. Puts it in. Steal again by JJB. JJB hesitates. Walang bola. Turnover pa yan. Bonifacio losing the ball. 84-62. 7 minutes, 31 seconds in this last quarter. Bernardo finds Reyes to number 8 scoring machine. Pulls the trigger. Short. Rebound ni Reyes. Penetrates and a foul. By number Bonifacio, number 91.
Bigyan mo nga Drake, Candy.
May ubo ka eh.
Ayaw mo pa. Hindi, yung mental lang.
Reyes in the line. Yes, sir.
Ito.
Second one is good.
Bakit na?
Terence Romeo. Terence Romeo, handling skills. Terence Romeo, tatlo na bumabantay na handles. Fans Mahin, baseline shot. Puts it in. Agad na. Reyes. Penetrates. Power layup by number 11. Yan naman si Terence Romeo. Naiwan si number 22. Terence Romeo steal. To JJB. Antwan basketball. Foul number 15. Bonifacio will be in the line for his bonus. Pumasok sa substitution, okay. Substitution, pasok na. Pasok na.
Nagkalakas sa'yo ah. Nagkalakas sa'yo.
Oras, sige. Oras.
Tanggalangat ko din.
Bakla.
Number 18, to the trigger man. Side step, wala. Na-rebound na yan ni Mahit. Mahit. Bonifacio, steal na yan ng number 18 si Pastor. Ayan na naman si scoring machine. Ayaw mapigil. The scoring machine.
Nabusog ka?
Oras.
6 minutes.
Tricycle kayo ni Tita
Teras
Ros.
Romeo.
Sabi mo, bili ka
Teras
regalo.
Romeo, steal. 3-1 na.
Sabi mo,
Ayan si
bili ka
Mahit.
regalo.
Yeah, what's the rin?
Bakit ka hindi na bumalik?
Lakas ng tira.
Kain ka?
Apa, dala.
Sa akin? Dinala yung sa akin.
Pastor, number 18. Trigger man, finds number 15. Yes, sir.
Sino kumain doon?
91-70 ang ating score.
Yung ice cream
Kaya sa number 31. Number 31, Dimaras. And a foul. Number 4, Kapala. Substitution tayo, patatin ball. Pass to number 11. Easy jumper, pero wala yan. Recover. Is steal by number 18. Ayun na, sige Pete. The scoring machine. Drop pass. Nakuha yan ni Vitas, number 31. Vitas to Teres Romeo. Number 1, Boyo. Finds Mahin again. Yes, sir. Ganda talaga. Masahan ang connection ng dalawa. To number 8, David. The scoring machine to number 11. Yes, sir. Easy jumper, the baseline.
Sub daw, sub.
Pag-dead ball. Pag-dead ball ay doon.
Kaya na, si number 1.
Pwede kayo mag-time out.
Kaya na, si number 15. Pulse. Short. Recover. Number 15. To number 31. Number 31 steal. Pulse. 3 and a foul. Substitution. Foul number 4. Substitution.
Malamok doon.
Substitution. Number 15. Number 16.
Pinisa ka niya.
First one, one go.
Nakabuksan! Hindi ko mabuksan!
And the second one is go. Pangatlo. Tira. Is go.
Alis ka doon.
Kaya na si Reyes. Reyes to the scoring machine. Finds Triggerman, 15. Easy jumper. Yes, sir.
Dalawa lang silang gumagawa.
Kaya na si Terence Romeo again. Terence Romeo. 10 to shoot. Iniwan si number 18. Terence Romeo hesitates. Nice steal. Triggerman. Inhook, number 15. Triggerman. Power layup. Wala yan. Na-rebound eh. Michael. Tuboyo. Terence Romeo. Naging post-lasers. Number 1. Inaharas si number 18. Inaharas ng dalawang taga-ballers. 10 to shoot tayo. Number 6. Vitas. Pull sa trigger. Wala. Na-rebound na. Wala na na. Ipo. Ating ballers. Turn over tayo. Yan na si number 18 to number 8. The scoring machine. Number 8. Finds number 15. Triggerman. Puts it in. What a beautiful connection between the Triggerman and the scoring machine. Ayan na si number 7. Michael. Finds Mahin. On the baseline. And a foul. Hit by number 8. Inbound din mo, Michael. Then shoot tayo, drop pass to Mahit. Walang bola, turnover. 3 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter. And as number 11 penetrates. Miscommunication. Malakas yung pasa. 2 minutes 59, 9:95, 76 ang ating score. Pasok yan ng steal ni number 11. Terence Romeo, nice stealan. And a foul, number 15. Time out. Time out. Ipos Lazar. Warning for penalty na ang Team Boros. Our next game will be between two power teams, Team Tanuts and Team United Bowlers. Our last game for tonight. Alright, back to the ball game. Terence Romeo, inbounding the ball to number 39, Vitas. Terence Romeo, setting up the play, cutting the sign, number 19, number 7. Finds number 31, 7 carry, Vitas Blazers. 7 to shoot. 4. 10. Tira, wala. Reset mo lang, good yan. Reset mo na agad pagka ano, wala nang oras. Go number, wala yan. Terence Romeo steal. Terence Romeo. Terence Romeo. Pass to Vitas. Overshoot. Rebound na yan, Imahin. Save ball pa second. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Save ball pa second. Last 2 minutes na tayo. Iker. Nabitas, tumahid, baseline shot, overshoot. Robin violation. Yes. Tyson Triggerman pulls, puts it in, 3-boy! Inho, the Triggerman. Tumahid, power layup, and score! And one basketball, substitution. Mahid will be in the line for his bonus shot.
Di ba namin nakalaban yung members? Bago nakalaban nyo na yan, parehas nga yung final. First game yun na. Buti hindi kayo nagkakaluan. Ayo,
Bonus shot is wala yan. Nakuha ni Reyes. Private. This skill by Mahid. Mahid, power layup, puts it in. 99-81 ang score. 1 minute 20 in this last quarter. Reyes, 2. Scoring machine. Scoring machine, pulls the trigger. Wala yan, rebound pa rin. Scoring machine, 2. Trigger man! Wala. Save ball possession. Reyes pulls the trigger from the downtown. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ng Ipos Lazars. Vitas. Nice steal ni scoring machine. Short ang tira. Kuha ni Vitas. To Terence Romeo. Double dribble tayo. $39 seconds. Tumira ng 3, number 18, wala yan. And si Stephen Curry, number 31. Vitas, Terence Romeo, 24 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Vitas, pulse the trigger. Wala yan. Na-rebound yan ni Reyes. Tugibit. Wala pa rin ang bola. Number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. 9.